it comes to wealth management, we know that whether you're building an investment portfolio or planning for your retirement, funding a child's education or designing an estate plan, no planning or advice is complete without a consideration of your tax exposure. The reality is, there's a tax component to every financial decision we make. And at Baird, we make it a point to be there to help you understand it and do our best to help manage that cost. The best time to consider tax planning is whenever you're facing a significant life event. Maybe it's a job change where you're moving from one employer to another, or you're starting a new business, or you're selling that business and venturing off into retirement. Maybe there are family considerations. You're getting married, or you're going through a divorce, or you lost a spouse recently. All things that can impact your filing status from one year to the next. Even relocating can have tax considerations, as different states have different sets of laws. And moving from one state to another can impact the timing of a particular transaction. Beyond these life events, taxes play an important role in the management of your investment portfolio. Decisions on what to buy or to sell, or even where to hold a particular investment, all come with important tax implications that can be thoughtfully evaluated by your Baird financial advisor. Regardless of where you are in your plan, taxes are something that should be considered more often than just on tax day or at the very end of the year. Taxes are something that need to be thought of throughout the course of the year before you realize it's too late and you've let an opportunity pass you by. Even the best laid plans need to be reviewed and monitored on a regular basis as circumstances change. This is especially true when it comes to considering the impact of tax legislation. There's no such thing as a permanent tax law, and the assumptions we're operating under today can change at any time, even from year to year. Your Baird financial advisor can help you find the right balance between understanding the rules that are in place today and what may be coming down the road, while being careful to avoid front-running those changes before they become effective. Taxes can be an emotional topic for a lot of individuals, and while minimizing your tax costs may be your priority, it's important to do so in a way that enhances your overall financial picture and with the advice of an advisor who's looking out for your best interest. Our Baird financial advisors understand the importance of helping clients manage their overall tax cost. The process begins by reviewing a copy of your most recently filed tax return, as that can serve as a window into your overall financial situation. Your tax return can tell us more about your family's sources of income, the tax rate you're paying on it, and what you're doing with that income, such as paying down debt, building your savings, supporting charitable causes, or other things. Using that knowledge, we can identify strategies to help you manage your tax cost in the future. From there, we can move on to the next stage of tax planning, modeling those strategies that can help you meet your financial goals while minimizing the drag taxes can have on your finances. This may mean changes to your portfolio, things that help you improve your after-tax return, or considering new charitable giving strategies that maximize the tax benefit of your gift. Maybe we find you're in a lower tax bracket, and we take advantage of that by doing things like a Roth conversion or recognizing capital gains at a lower tax rate. While much of the focus of our tax planning is on what happens this year, we also have an eye towards the future, as things we talk about now can have an impact on future Medicare premiums, required minimum distributions from retirement accounts, Social Security benefits, and more. For those of you who are working with a professional tax advisor to prepare your return, we can partner with them, making sure that all of your advisors are on the same page regarding your finances and that the strategies are implemented properly and consistently. Having this understanding and insight into your tax plan can not only help us manage your portfolio effectively, but provide advice on your overall wealth plan. Reach out to your Baird advisor today to discuss your tax situation and how to best manage its impact.